What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can flash any stock firmware for any Samsung device. In this case, in this video I'm going to install the stock firmware on this Samsung S8 device. Recently I used a custom ROM on my Samsung S8 device, and now I decided to back into the stock firmware. So I decided to make a video about it, so that if you want to install the stock firmware for any of your Samsung device, you can follow this video along with me. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay, so guys, right now you can see my computer screen. Now, first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up your browser, then search on Google Samsung S8 firmware. You can type your Samsung mobile model name. Then from here, go to this website, samfw.com. And from here, you will get your device listing and all the firmware of different country. You have to type your country name from where you purchase your Samsung device, or you can click any of this flag or your country flag. Let's say if you are from Ireland, click on Ireland. And here you can see all the firmware. From here you can click on this Samsung Galaxy S8 or the version name. Then scroll down, and from here you can download the Samsung firmware for your device. I had already downloaded it. Then you have to download the Odin software. So take another tab and search for Odin. Then go to this website, odindownload.com, and from here download the latest version of Odin. Scroll down, and from using this download button you can download the software. I had already downloaded it too. Now let me show you how you can flash the firmware. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to take your mobile phone. Then you have to go to About tab. Then from here, go to Software Information and tap on build number for a couple of times. And it will open up the developer mode on your Samsung phone. Now again, get back, scroll down, and you will get an option called developer option. Go to that option, scroll down, and make sure to enable USB debugging. If you get OEM unlock option, turn it on also. Now after that, you have to go to download mode on your Samsung device. So for this, power off your device. Then press the power key, volume down key, and the Bixby button together. When you will get this screen, warning screen, just click on volume up key, and you will get this download mode of your Samsung device. Now what you need to do, you have to connect your Samsung device with your mobile phone using a USB cable. So let me connect mine. Then go to your downloads folder where you keep the Odin and the Samsung firmware. Now first of all, extract the Samsung firmware. Then extract the Odin software. Now go to your Odin folder and double click this Odin exe file. And here you can see our Odin software is open and our device is connected to COM port 5. Now go to option, select NAND erase. Then go to log. Then click on BL. Get back to downloads folder and your S8 folder or firmware folder. Then from here, select the BL file. Then click on open. Then click on AP button. Select the AP file. Then click on CP button. Select the CP file. Then click on CSC button and select the CSC file. Then click on open. Then click on user data and select this home file. Then click on start. And it should start flashing the firmware on your Samsung device. And here you can see all the progress. It's gonna take some time, so you have to wait until the flashing get completed. And when the flashing will be get completed, your mobile phone will automatically restart it to the setup screen. After flashing the firmware, for the first boot, it will take some time, so you have to wait. Okay guys, So here you can see flashing has been completed and now my phone is restarting. It will take some time. Now you have to set up your Samsung phone. So guys, like this, you can flash any stock firmware for any Samsung phone. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil. You are watching a tech tutorial and I'm signing out.